Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time here, hello, my name is Anne, and if you've been here already, welcome back. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you this eye look that I'm wearing right now. I'm actually playing with this palette from Inglot, and they changed their formula and actually love it. The shimmer that I used is so pigmented, so I don't know if all their shimmers are like this because it's really good. But basically in one of my previous videos I asked if you guys would be interested in me doing a makeup tutorial just like you guys are used from me, and then after the makeup tutorial take you guys with me along the day. You can see my son, you can just see what I eat, what I'm doing, and you were really excited for this, so that's what I'm gonna do today. But first we're gonna create this eye look, so let's get started. So this is the palette that I will be playing with today. It's from Inglot, and these are actually 4 individual eyeshadows which are magnet and placed into a palette, so you can create your own palette. I will put the exact shade names in the description bar. So I started with the lightest matte color and I'm just gonna blend this all in my crease. I'm actually using this super handy tool, which I will also link for you guys. You don't have to use this, you can also use like your credit card or something like that. But it just makes it a little bit easier with leaving my eye look with a sharp edge. And then I went in with the second shade, which is kind of like the same tone but darker. And now I'm going to focus a little bit more at the outer portion of the eyelid and just kind of like tapping on the product, and then with whatever's left on my brush I'm blending it a little bit more towards my crease area. So just to create some more darkness and depth at the outer part of the eyelid. Now everything I'm doing at one side, of course I'm doing at the other side as well. And then I went in with this shimmer and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Now I don't know if all their shimmers have this formula, but it's really stunning. So I really need to get a few more of those because I think they're beautiful. Very pigmented, kind of like a creamy consistency. It just glides on the eyelid, and they told me they reformulated their eyeshadow, so I think it's really good. So then I went in with the darker shade, and this one has a slight sparkle in it, but I'm just going to use this to kind of like create a smoky wing liner effect, but just with this shade only, so it gives a really subtle shadowy effect along the lash line. So I'm still using that tool, and that will create kind of like that sharp winged liner effect, but because this is an eyeshadow and not a super dark shade, it will give a very subtle wing liner, if that makes sense. So then I used some concealer to clean up the edges to make it extra clean. I didn't need to do that a lot because the tool that I used did help with preventing like a lot of eyeshadow in this area. Then I went in with this color and used it all the way underneath the lower lash line, just to create some shadow in this area as well. Then I used a lash curler, and this is already the last step actually. It's a super easy, quick look, but it does look super glam. So then I went in with some mascara. I used the Lash and Roll from e.l.f. Cosmetics, which is my current favorite drugstore mascara. I absolutely love this one. And then after applying mascara, you can see the final result of today's eye look. And I hope you guys like how it turned out. So the eye look is now finished. Absolutely love it. I actually haven't been this glam in a really long time. Like I never take the time for this because I don't know, I'm just so busy with my son, but he's downstairs right now with my partner, his dad, so I'm going downstairs right now as well. Actually, I haven't seen him now for 30 minutes, but I already miss him. I'm so in love with this guy. So let's go downstairs. So we got this playhouse for our son, but the roof was black and the windows as well, and we didn't like it. So we are currently painting them white, which I think looks a lot cuter. There's gonna be a heat wave tomorrow and the day after, so we're preparing our garden to make it kid proof. Gaan we voor jou vullen? Kijk, mama had voor jou hier water in gedaan. Zo. Kijk. Kijk, mama gaat hem voor je vullen.
Nee, werkt niet.
Wat ding? The weather is so beautiful today. I can't wait for tomorrow. It's gonna be even more hot, but today it's like super nice with a little breeze. Clay, where's papa? Where's papa? Where's papa? So we're getting these fake Crocs for working outside. Like, these are the most comfortable and ugliest shoes there are, but these are only €9. And Vishant is gonna wear them in the garden when he's like working. Clay, kijk eens naar mama. Hey, hallo. So time suddenly went very quick. I had a call for my work. Now I'm eating. My little best friend is eating too. He's making a lot of mess, as you can see. After this, we're gonna take a shower and then I'm just gonna let him play for a bit downstairs and then it's time to go to bed. He's really enjoying it, as you can see. So I don't really mind if he gets messy. I know it's inconvenient, but I don't really care, to be honest. I just want him to explore different textures, feel if it gets messy. Like, I really don't care. And I feel like it really helps him eating better. He's a really good eater, actually. Hey, tongetje uitsteken. Kusje? Mag mama ook een kusje? Goodbye to my makeup because I'm about to jump in the shower. Love wearing this makeup look. Look at my little fresh baby. Okay, technically he's not a baby anymore, but for me, honestly, he will always feel like my baby. Beep beep. Kom Clay, we gaan lekker een boekje lezen. Ga je eentje uitzoeken? Ga je op de stoel zitten? Nog een beetje. Zo. Kom maar, daar is haar boekje. Een paard. Ja, een paardje. Waar is het paardje? Okay, I feel like it took forever, but Clay is finally asleep. It's now 10:30 p.m. I'm exhausted. I'm going to bed as well, and I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like it was kind of all over the place, but that's just my life right now. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you want me to do this more often. I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.